As child abuse cases increase in Oklahoma, the Child Abuse Network says a new center will help them address a number of challenges the organization is facing. I sat down with the CEO of CAN to discuss those challenges.
We have seen the number of cases increase. We've seen the severity increase.
Maura Gooten, president and CEO of the Child Abuse Network, says the pandemic uncovered a troubling trend, an increase in child abuse cases day after day.
The risk factors for abuse were increased all over the place.
Gooten says their Children's Advocacy Center, built in 1992 to see 20 kids a week, just isn't cutting it anymore. Weekly, they're helping 45 to 60 children in our area.
What we know is that we haven't quite seen the peak of the cases that we'll see at the center after the pandemic.
She says the 2020 Supreme Court McGirt ruling has also had an impact on their stretched resources. The ruling gave the tribe's jurisdiction to prosecute major crimes against Native Americans in much of eastern Oklahoma. Gooten says each tribal case requires more professionals in their already too small space.
The Supreme Court decision on McGirt was something that we were delighted about, but we weren't quite equipped to deal with the onslaught of new cases, new professionals.
To speed up wait times for families, they're in the process of turning this old, empty building into their brand new center.
When you wait, those are little guys and families that are still sitting in crisis and in limbo. So the quicker we can get children and families in here, the faster we can start the healing.
It'll include 18 private offices, 11 waiting areas, 9 forensic interview rooms, and 4 therapy rooms.
It will be a much bigger space where more professionals can convene to work on these cases. Our professionals will all have a place to land and a place to work.
The organization is in its final push to raise $750,000 for the project. They hope to start construction soon, and they plan to finish within a year.